Hi, I'm Amanda. Welcome to the Rapid English YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how we like to teach English in a fun, memorable and natural way. We've got one of our teachers with us, Ione, and she's going to help us to explain what today is all about.
Today we're going to celebrate Pancake Day, also known as Shrove Tuesday. This year, Pancake Day falls on the 16th of February. That's 40 days before Easter, and these 40 days are known as LENT. English-speaking countries such as Canada, the USA, Ireland, Australia and Britain celebrate this day because it's the last day we can eat tasty, rich foods such as sugar, eggs and butter. Back to you, Amanda.
Okay, so now for the fun parts. Let's make the pancake. So we need a bowl, a sieve and the ingredients. So the first thing we need to do is get the sieve and put the sieve, the sieve, where's the sieve? Oh yeah, that's the sieve. We need to put the sieve in the bowl. Yes, in the bowl. This is the bowl. Good, that's the bowl. Okay, now we need to add the flour. That's the salt, yeah. No, the flour, but all of the flour. 300 grams, in fact, of flour. And in the bowl. Oh, okay, good. That's right. So we lift it up and we put it in the bowl to sieve the flour so it's nice and fine. Oh yes, let's just pop a little bit in the bowl. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with me today. A little bit clumsy. It actually in the bowl would be good. That's right. Exactly like that, in the bowl, and we give it a little sieve. That's right. Just a little shake like that to make it nice and fine. The flour nice and fine. Perfect. That's coming along great. Yeah. Oops. Oh no. Okay. Now we just need to add a pinch of salt. Where's the salt? That's the salt. Okay. Yeah. A pinch of salt. Yes. That's right. Just a pinch into the flour. Perfect, just like that, in the flour. That's all we need of salt, we don't need much salt. So we just need to get the wooden spoon now and give the flour and the salt, that's it, just move the sieve out the way. Oh, we could try it with the handle of the sieve, that might work. Probably not, I think maybe the wooden spoon is careless today. Okay, and give it a little bit of this. Perfect. Okay, so the next part is to add the eggs, and for this we need 2 eggs. So we're going to crack, yes, this looks like a nice egg. This is a perfect egg. We're going to crack the egg into the mixture. So just like, I'm not feeling very strong today. Trying to squeeze it with my hand, but no, it's not happening. Perhaps swap it for another, on the table, could be, yeah, 1 egg, perhaps a little bit of the shell. We need to remove the shell from here, I think, because that's not going to taste very nice. And the second egg, yeah, I think we need to take some of the shell out of there because it's going to be a bit crunchy. So, egg is always good for your hair, I've been told. So, we now need to add the butter, and this will make it nice and tasty, and it will cook really well in the pan. So, let's add the butter, which has been melted, into the mixture. That's perfect. Good. And we need to give it a whisk. Lovely. Give it a good stir because we definitely don't want any lumps in this mixture. Definitely not. So that's it. Get the whisk in there and give it a good stir. Perfect. Excellent. Yeah. Lovely. Okay. Now the next part is for the milk, but we only need half the milk. So we're going to pour half of the milk into the bowl. Okay, so give that a nice pour into the bowl. And that's lovely. That's enough. That's half of the milk. Yes, that's half. Okay, that's actually a little bit more than half, but anyway, let's put the jug down now. And we're going to give the mixture a nice, little bit of extra flour there, just in case. Okay, and let's find the whisk. give it a little stir, because we definitely don't want any lumps in the pancake mixture, because that just wouldn't be good. So give it a nice stir around, and yes, just need to get the flour on the side. A few problems with, oh yeah, a bit of extra flour there, that could be good to make the mixture a bit thicker. Just, perhaps I should have taken out the eggshell in the end. So let's have a look. There's a little bit of shell in there, that might be a bit lumpy. Okay, let's just take that out, put that to one side. Lovely. Just test the mixture. Yep, that's coming on great. Try a little bit of a taste there. Okay, lovely. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that's that part finished. Okay, so now we have our finished pancake, and it's looking delicious. Traditionally, we flip the pancakes in the frying pan, so that's what we're going to try and do now, but beware, it can be dangerous. Actually, it's on the list of the 10 most dangerous things to do, so leave it to the professionals like me, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so let's go. We need to flip this pancake. Ready? And give it a flip now. And let's try again. And there's the pancake flipped. Voila! There we go. Lovely pancake tweets. Now we come to the best bit, the bit I like the most, which is eating the pancake. Okay, so you can eat it with lots of different things, but the tradition is to eat it with lemon and sugar. And we have those here today. So we're going to put some lemon on the pancake first of all. The lemon you can cut into nice wedges, but I love lemon so much I'm going to use the big part, and we're going to squeeze that all over the pancake. So just give it a nice squeeze all over the pancake. That's lovely, yeah. So it spreads around a little bit. Lovely. Yep, a nice bit of lemon. Okay, let's put that lemon back on the plate now. Lovely. And sugar, because sugar and lemon go really well together. So let's find a spoon and put some nice sugar on, sprinkle it around. Oh, whoops, a little bit careless today. Yep, let's just, no, I'm not going to try it, no. Just sprinkle it around onto the pancake. Amanda, I don't really know what's going on here today. Okay, come on, let's put it onto the back. Yeah, that's great. And we can roll the pancake, fold it, or just simply cut it up, but I like to just, you know, just roughly fold it up, roughly. Anyways, good really. So we just like to try it now. So let's find the knife, and the knife that's on the table, and yeah, the knife that's next to the plate. Well, we're not going to use the knife, no, it's not necessary. Just break it up with our hands and just give it a nice try. Delicious. It's so nice. It's so good. I just have to keep eating it. It's really good. You've got to try this at home. It's brilliant. Okay, so one of the other ways that I like to eat pancakes is with chocolate spread. Okay, so I've got some of our favourite chocolate spread here. White chocolate and milk chocolate, as you can see, and we're going to spread some of that onto pancake. There's the knife. Okay, so let's spread it. Not too much because it can be quite rich. So some of the white, that's my favourite part, the white. Okay, onto the pancake. Great. Okay, spread it, that's it. Never been very good at spreading, but you know, just pop it on there like that. Yeah, that's going on really well. Could probably do, yeah, well, it's the knife's, maybe your hand's a little bit better sometimes, so spread that on. You can roll it again, or just fold it, or just roughly like that. and it's really tasty, so I'm going to try it with the chocolate spread also, just so you can see how nice it really is. It's so nice not to eat it all at the same time, so that's really good. Okay, and now you need to remember the ingredients that we've used to make the pancakes, so you too can do it at home. So let's go through these ingredients. We started off with flour, 300 grams. Then we added a pinch of salt, not too much salt. After that, 2 eggs. Try not to add the shells. Some melted butter. Give it a mix. Then we added half of the milk, 600 millilitres, so we added 300. Give it a stir to make it nice and smooth, and then we added the final 300 millilitres of milk, the other half. And we had a beautiful batter, and you too can do that at home.